Hello, today I've got a hobby box of 2025 Topps Heritage. So there is a guaranteed guaranteed autograph or relic in here somewhere. So let's see what the box yields. Like, this is my second one. So first one I got a relic that was not too valuable. This one I'm hoping for an autograph. Or at least if it's a relic, it's something that's much cooler than what I got before. So let's get ripping on these packs. Sometimes they're a little tough. Let's see how they go. Looks like they're opening pretty easily. Got Will Benson, Carlos Santana, Brendan Rodgers, Duke Ellis. Got a Yogi Berra all-time All-Star, Jake Eater, a blue border Bo Bichette, and Ha-Seong Kim. Next pack. Chris Sale, Andy Banez, Anthony Rizzo, Orelvis Martinez, George Springer, Lourdes Gurriel Jr., blue border Sean Burke, and Brian King. Pack number 3. Dylan Dingler, Luis Garcia Jr., Cedric Mullins, Angel Martinez, Curtis Mead. You got a glossy Chris Bassett, blue border Jake Berger, and Eric Wagaman. Next pack. All-time All-Stars Tris Speaker, Alec Baum, Helio Ramos, strikeout leaders, Corbin Burns, no, UD back, no longer an Oriole, Garrett Crochet, blue border Victor Robles, and Trevor McGill. Up to the next pack. Javier Sanoja, J.P. Crawford, Dansby Swanson, Max Muncy, Reese Hoskins, Wilson Contreras, got a blue glitter Bo Bichette, and Blake Dunn. Next pack. Joey Gallo, Austin Riley, Zach Wheeler, Hunter Big, Yalber Diaz. Got some kind of insert here. This is going to be Dylan Cruz. We've got a blue glitter Andrew Benintendi and Jonathan Clace. Next pack, we've got Nick York, Jorge Soler, Riley Green, Lane Thomas, Francisco Lindor. Got a foil Spencer Arrighetti, Chris Bassett, and Brian Hayes. Next pack. Nick Madrigal, Michael King, home run leaders. Luis Robert Jr., Cade Smith, got Jackson Profar glossy card, Brian Wu, and Marcus Semien. Next pack, still waiting for that hit, or me being an autograph or a relic. Guaranteed to be in the box. Got an Aaron Judge record breaker card, Mitch Spence, Nolan Jones, Brenton Doyle, Gleyber Torres, glossy Richie Palacios, Jose Ramirez blue glitter, and Adley Rutschman. On to the next. Bryson Stott, James Wood, Josh Hader, Gustavo Campero, McLean, a Paul Skeens, that's horizontal, Mookie Betts, and Daniel Schneemann. Next pack. Looking for the autograph or something else cool, maybe. Christian Walker, former D-back. Bo Naylor, Spencer Horwitz, Corbin Carroll, Luis Arias. We've got batting leaders, Gavin Stone and Kerry Carpenter. Not a great pack there. We've got Tanner Houck, Edgardo Hernandez, Yasmani Grandal, got a Danny Jansen record breaker, Royce Lewis, James K. Polk, Great American card, Vidal Brujan, Blue Glitter, Pablo Lopez. Next pack. Hayden Birdsong, Victory Leaders, Jaron Duran, Cole Reagans, Josh Lowe, William Contreras, Blue Border Jeff Hoffman, and Christopher Morel. Few packs left here. Still looking for the hit in the box. Dominic Fletcher, Isaac Collins, Porter Hodge, Lake Butchar, Sandy Alcantara, Luis Castillo, Jordan Alvarez, and Alec Burleson. That's probably the worst pack so far. It's saying something. It hasn't been a great box. Next pack. Sonny Gray, Hunter Goodman, Juan Soto, Luis Matos, Michael Massey, a glossy Willie Adames, a blue border Kerry Carpenter, and Ronaldo Lopez. Next pack. Will Wagner, Spencer Schwellenbach, Mitch Keller, Jose Miranda record breaker. Here's the hit of the box. Not bad. This is a Corbin Carroll relic, so this is a piece of his bat. Looks like no serial number that I can discern, but still, if I have to get a relic and it's got to be non-numbered, I'm going to want it to be Corbin Carroll. So that is the hit of the box, the relic Corbin Carroll. And we've got a blue glitter, Tyler Soderstrom, and followed by Victor Robles. By the way, that's Corbin Carroll autograph just behind me on that wall. He's also probably my favorite autograph card that I've got. Francisco Alvarez, Shane Baz, Emmanuel Clase, Mark Vientos, Nico Horner, sorry. We've got George C. Marshall, Great Americans, Alec and Angel Chivilli, Blue Glitter, and Keibert Ruiz. Down to the last, I think, 7 packs. Mitch Haniger, Anthony Rendon, Brent Rooker, Jamison Talone, Michael Kopech, Ron Guidry, 1978, Jose Quintana, Blue Glitter, and Tyler Gentry. All right, on to the next pack. Christian Yelich, Kai Bush, Kumar Rocker, Brandon Drury, Freddie Freeman, got a gold border Cade Povich, wood border Tyler Phillips, and a regular Tyler Phillips. Five packs left. Xavier Edwards, Jonathan India, Brooks Lee, Matt Chapman, ERA leaders, a glossy Paul Goldschmidt, former D-back. We've got Pete Crow Armstrong and Luis Guerrero. 4 packs to go. Tobias Myers, Jace Jung, Luis Gill, Colston Cowser, Framber Valdez, Glossy Lords Gurriel Jr., not bad at all, being a D-backs fan, Tyler Glass now, and Jake Berger. 3 to go. 3 outs left in the 9th here. Caden Dana, Levi Jordan, Ozzy Albius, Edmundo Sosa, Mitchell Parker. Got another cool Corbin Carroll. This one's interesting border. This is a 25th anniversary card, so a good Corbin Carroll box. Not great. If it was a great one, I'd have an autograph. Ronaldo Lopez and Sean Burke. 2 to go. Gordon Graceffo maybe, Jorge Polanco. Got an all-time All-Stars Hank Aaron, a Raisel Iglesias, Colt Keith, glossy Nicky Lopez, blue glitter Thomas Sagasi, and Trey Turner. Final pack of this hobby box. We're going to go with Kyle Tucker, Jared Jones, JD Martinez, Wyatt Langford, Dalton Varsho, Seth Brown, Jesse Winker, and the final card of the box is going to be Luke Weaver. So thank you for watching this break, and I'll catch you on the next one.